Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this look that I would prefer wearing for a wedding of your best friend, or even a special dinner, or even if you want to go out with your friends. Then this is the look that I would suggest you guys create yourselves. And if you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram if you post it on Instagram, because I would love to see you guys create my content. Like, that would be awesome. And other than that, let's get on to the video. I hope you guys like this tutorial first of all, and I will list the products that I used in this video in the info box below, so there you can find it. So let's get started. First I applied my hydrating cream and my primer off camera, then after that I applied my concealer in the shade NC20 by MAC and blended it in with my Wet Beauty blender. After I blended my concealer, I used my multitask brush by Real Techniques to set my concealer with the Studio Water Weight Pressed Powder in the shade Light Plus by MAC. Next, I grabbed my Wonder Cream contour stick by NYX to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, my eyes, and then I blend it in with my Beauty blender. Next, I grab my base shadow brush by Real Techniques and take my powder contour palette from Maybelline to contour my nose. I think it looks more natural this way, so I wanted to do it with a powder instead of a cream. To continue, I use my bigger brush to bronze my forehead and underneath my cheeks with the bronzing powder in the shade Refined Gold by MAC. Then with the multitask brush, I contour underneath my cheekbones with the powder palette from Maybelline. With the same brush, I use two blushes on my cheeks. First of all, the Fit Me blush in the shade Pink 25, and after that the powder blush in the shade 40 by Trend It Up. I got this with my cousin in Germany. Now it's time to fill in my eyebrows. I use two products as well. First, I applied the Brow Gel pomade in the shade 103 Châtain by L'Oréal Paris. Now I take my eyebrow pencil in the shade Flame by MAC to fill in the inner parts of my eyebrows. Now let's get started with the fun parts, the eye makeup. First, I applied some concealer on my eye. After that, I got a small brush to pack this dark purple shade on the crease of my eyelids and blended it in. Okay, so I made a little mistake here, but no worries because I fixed it with this butt. After that, I removed everything from my eyelids but the crease. And I cut the crease as y'all can see. I am so sorry for not capturing everything on camera. I was too focused on my eye. I promise to pay attention to that in the future. So now the key here is to get everything blended well on my crease and have a straight line. Now it's not perfect, but we can always fix that later. After that, I got my detailing brush by MAC and put this amazing shimmery pink shades from the palette Rusted Wonders by MUA on the inner corner of my eyelid. With the same brush, I then applied a darker shimmery pink shade from the same palette on the outer part of my eyelid. Then you can see me blend the two colors in the middle part of my eyelids. And last but not least, I put some more of the dark purple shades on my outer corner of the eyelids. Now we gotta make sure to have everything well blended. I put the black eyeliner by Yves Rocher. I did this off camera, and after that I began with the other eyelids and did the exact same thing. The next thing I did was apply a lighter matte pink shade on the bottom lash line of my eye to connect the edges. And after that I put on some fake lashes. I used the one from Catrice and then put on some mascara, of course on my bottom lashes as well. The next step is to set my eyebrows with the Control Freak Eyebrow Gel by NYX. So that was it for the eye makeup. So right now I want to complete my look by adding some highlighter. This time I'm using the MUA Under Your Skin Shimmer Highlight in the shade Ivory Decent Gold. It's a beautiful color as well, just as the other one. That's my favorite too. And let's Now to really finish my look, I am going to put my lip liner from Maybelline in the shade Nude Whisper number 10, and then I'm going to use the Essence Vibrant Shock lip paint. Guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope y'all like it. It's this, so you can use it whenever you want to go out. Oh no, forgot something. This baby. Let's put some eyeliner underneath on our eye. So this was it, you guys. I hope y'all like it, and I hope that you will tell me your thoughts about it in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm pretty new, but I love to do this kind of stuff, so I'm gonna keep doing my best. Thank you all. I love you all.